Good morning, class. Today is Tuesday, April 14th, 2020. We're going to go ahead and get started on our math today. We are on pages 269 and 270. Go ahead and pull those out. Now these two pages are review, so we're going to go over a couple of them together and then you will work the rest of them by yourself today. Let's look at class practice for number 1. On number 1, let's look at A. How many square inches equals 1 square feet? Good. 12 times 12 is 144. So 144 square inches equals 1 square foot. B. How many square miles equals 640 acres? Good. 1 square mile equals 640 acres. C. How many square feet equals 1 square yard? Think about how many feet are in a yard. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 square feet equals 1 square yard. Skip down to number 2. This time we're going to find the areas. Remember when you were finding the area of a square, you will use the formula area equals side square. A equals S square. Rectangle, area equals length times the width. A equals L times W. Let's look at 2A. You're going to find the area of a rectangle. 16 feet times 20 feet. Well, your formula is A equals length times the width. So A equals 16 times 20, or 20 times 16. Multiply this out. Good. 320 square feet. Remember when we are finding the area of a square or a rectangle, you add square feet to your answer. Let's look at B. We're finding the area of a square. Your side is 7 inches. So your formula is A equals side squared. What is 7 times 7? Good. The area equals 49 square inches. Okay, let's look at number 3. This time you will be finding the perimeter of a square or a rectangle. So 3A, find the perimeter of a rectangle. Remember to use your formula. Perimeter equals 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. Your length is 20 feet. So you will have 2 times 20 plus your width is 16. 2 times 16. Work these out. Multiply 2 times 20 and 16 times 2. So your perimeter equals, add these together, 72 feet. Good. Okay, 3B, you're finding the perimeter of a square. Remember when you're finding the perimeter of a square, you use P equals 4 times S. 3B, your side is 7 inches. Perimeter equals 4 times the side. So perimeter equals 4 times 7. What is 4 times 7? Good. 28, and we are talking inches. So 28 inches is the perimeter of that square. Let's get down to number 5. Solve these story problems. Mrs. Bradford has new tile on the kitchen floor. The kitchen is 13 feet by 14 feet. How many square feet of tile did she have to purchase? Okay, remember your formula will be area equals length times width. 13 times 14. Okay, find your answer. Remember, it will be in square feet. This is 5A. Each square foot of tile costs $9.79. What was the cost of the tile? You have to know the answer to A and multiply that times $9.79. On C, Mr. Bradford hired 2 men to lay the tile. Each man worked 7 hours at the rate of $35.50 per hour. What was the cost of having the tile laid? You have 2 men who were working 7 hours. 2 times 7 is 14. Each man worked 7 hours at the rate of $35.50. To find out how much it costs, you're going to multiply $35.50 times 14. And then D, what was the total cost of the tile and the labor for laying the tile? You will add your answer that you received for B and your answer for C together. Okay, these 2 pages, you can finish both pages on your own. Other than, no, you're good. So finish page 269 and 270, and we'll see you tomorrow.